Dada? Dada? You mean Nana? Nana? Can you say Papa? Papa? Did you do it?
Yeah, can you say Dudley? Can you say Mama?
Mama?
Lily? Charlotte? Cha-cha?
Cha-cha?
What about the chickens?
Cha-cha?
What about the chickens?
Papa?
And what about Nanny?
Nana?
And what about...
Papa?
Very good.
Papa?
Who else do you like?
You like Uncle Eli? Papa? Mo.
Say bye to the camera.
Ba.
And a big smile.
Ba.